What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So guys, today we are going to talk about the secret to becoming an elite waver, to having elite waves. But right before we get into that video, guys, if you're not already subscribed to my second channel, please go do that right now. The link is down in the description below. Click that link, it's gonna take you over to my second channel. Smash that subscribe button for your boy. On our way to 1,000 subscribers. We are so close, so please smash the subscribe button for me. I really appreciate that. Also, if you guys are looking for any moisturizers, do-rags, and everything, you know, you got your 2-6 King Wavy Butter Moisturizer. Also, you got some 2-6 King Wavy Pomades, velvet do-rags, brushes, you name it. All of that, we got it, all right? Link is down in the description below, in the description. Click that link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Anything you want off that website, use discount code 360Juice to get 26% off your purchase. So with that being said, let's get right into video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, so guys, today I have 6 things that you need to do in order to become elite. Number 1 is brushing. Duh. Obviously, you can't get waves without brushing. The brush is what gives you waves. Pulls your hair, makes it curl up, boom, waves. But something that people don't know, you have to use different types of brushes. Different types of brushes gives you different types of results. Hard brush, it digs deep down into the scalp. You don't use a hard brush unless you're wolfing. Medium brush, that's your overall all-around brush. This brush can either make you progress, this brush can lay your hair down, this brush, the medium brush is like the foundation of everything. You can use that brush for any hair length, depending on how hard you push on it. You know, just the medium brush is very universal, and like everybody uses the medium brush. Then you got the soft brush, which is the lay down brush. You use the soft brush to lay your hair down, add shine to your hair. And if you do this every day, brush every single day, you are definitely on your way to becoming an elite waver. All right, moving on to the next. Second thing you would have to do in order to become an elite waver, you have to comb your hair. The reason why I say that, because when you're wolfing, you can't, you know, have a brush session with your hair laid, because you're not really doing anything. You have to lift your hair up with the comb. You know, once you comb it out, you lift your hair up. That's what the comb is very important for. It lifts your hair up. It helps you progress, because once your hair is lifted, then now you can go in with a harder brush. It will dig deep down into the scalp, which will make your waves deeper, which will make it wider, which will give it more definition. Alright guys, next, you gotta keep your hair clean. Washing style is very important. You progress with washing style depending on how you do it. You cannot wash it. If you're a waver, personally, if you're a waver, you cannot wash your hair like everybody else in the world. You have to put the shampoo in. I got some washing style videos. Y'all wanna learn how to wash your hair? Go watch that washing style video. It's up here somewhere. Click it, just go watch it, man. Alright, so after you watch the video, you'll know how to wash your hair like a waver. Wavers, we're different. You know, we don't wash our hair like everybody else. Okay, so you gotta wash the style, keep your hair clean. Take the products out your hair so you won't have product buildup. When it comes to moisturizing, you have to moisturize your hair. Moisturizing is very good because it keeps your hair looking shiny and healthy, keeps it smelling good, and also changes your texture. Keeps your hair looking smooth, silky smooth, you feel me? Your waves looking nice. I really think products actually change your hair texture. When you apply products as you should, as a waver, like along the way, along the line, your hair texture is going to change. That's why my hair texture changes. It kind of looks like a medium hair, but it's actually coarse, because I know how to moisturize my hair. I wash in style, and I also brush a lot, keep my do-rag on. That's why my hair looks the way it does. It looks suave, it looks like a different texture, but I'm actually a coarse hair waver. Which brings me to the next thing, which is wolfing. I may have mentioned wolfing in the beginning of the video, but wolfing is very important. If you want to become an elite waver, you have to wolf. You cannot become an elite waver with a 1.5 all your life. You have to wolf, 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 brush, brush, brush. The more hair you have, the curlier, the deeper, the more definition. Wolfing is very important to becoming an elite. Okay, from wolfing, this brings me to the conclusion of this video, which is double compression. You have to double compress, because when you're wolfing, if you do not double compress, if you don't have enough compression to keep your hair laid, your wolf is going to be all over the place, and then you're gonna have to cut your wolf because you don't know how to maintain it, and it's gonna be annoying. You're gonna get irritated, and then you're gonna be like, oh, I don't want to wolf no more, this, that, and then next thing you know, cut it off, then boom, you don't wolf again. But in order to maintain your wolf, you have to brush a lot, you have to keep your do-rag on at all times, and also you have to double compress to keep the lay look maximized. To get maximum lay into your wolf, you have to double compress, sometimes even triple compress, man. Sometimes it may lead to a headache or migraine, whatever it is, but if that happens to you, just take off the first 2 layers of your do-rag, or take off the top layer and just keep 1 do-rag on. All right, you can either double compress with 2 do-rags or a do-rag and a compression cap. Okay guys, this concludes our video for today. It's not that long, but these are the secrets to becoming an elite waver. If you want to become an elite waver, you can follow the guideline that I just gave to you guys. You could also come back to this video and watch it, okay, over and over again until you get it. So guys, thank you for watching. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, new to my channel, smash that subscribe button, boy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Peace.